answer the question, if Antarctica is so cold, how come all the water is frozen? Our hypothesis states, if seals and other animals are in constant underwater movement, then the kinetic energy will maintain the water's temperature due to its energy temperature properties preventing water from freezing. In our poster we have an extra credit that talks about our hypothesis, which is proven in a movie called The Experiment, and also we have drawings of seals and other marine animals creating kinetic energy.
To answer to this question, we perform an experiment. For this, we use ice cubes, cold water, salt, plastic toys, a container, and a steering wheel.
To prove our hypothesis, we had 2 tries to elaborate our experiment. In the first try, we weren't quite aware of how to do this experiment in a more scientific and elaborate way. Instead, we mixed the water with our hands. We weren't aware of the amount of ice cubes we used per plastic container, as well as we didn't quite measure the salt we were using. This created a result that wasn't a very accurate result, meaning we had to do it again. In the second try of our experiment, we are more aware of what not to do and what to do for the results to be accurate as possible. We mixed the water with the steering rod. The steering rod functions with magnetism, which creates a similar movement than the Antarctic water. For the salt, we measure it with ice cubes. We also measure the amount of ice cubes we use for plastic containers, as well as we measure the amount of water we put into each container to make our experiment as accurate and as similar as possible as the environment in the Antarctic.
The initial temperature of the container with motion, which was of 3 degrees Celsius, and we wrote the container, the temperature for the container without motion, which was of 4 Celsius. After 10 minutes of motion, the temperature of the first container was of 1 degree Celsius, and the temperature of the second container was of 5 degrees Celsius. This meant that after 10 minutes of motion of the first container, the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius from 3 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius, and there were 13 ice cubes left of 18, which was the initial quantity. In the second container, the temperature increased by 1 Celsius and the ice cubes remained the same, 8.
We concluded that our hypothesis was rejected because we mentioned that the temperature would remain the same or increase because of the kinetic energy, but it happened otherwise, because the temperature decreased. But on the other hand, the ice didn't froze the entire thing, because the ice melted because of the motion that the animals or objects in this case were creating. So we concluded that the hypothesis was rejected because it didn't support the temperature basis, but it was also correct because the ice melted and didn't froze the entire thing.